So guys, today I'm gonna be showing you some definitive proof that the Quran is the word of God. So here we have from archive.org a Quran that is from 1260 AH. Now you may be asking, what is AH? I've never seen this before. AH means after Hijrah. It's the Islamic calendar. It's very easy to look up. So when we search AH, we see Islamic years. The first AH began on 15th July 622. Now if we go here, we can see that 1260 corresponds to 1845 or 1845 AD. This is the AD correspondence. Anno Domino. And now that that's clear, we'll look at the 19th century Quran. Here I've loaded up the Surah Al-Hadid. This is the 57th chapter of the Quran, and it splits the Quran into, this is the central chapter of the Quran. There is 114 surahs in the Quran, and the 57th one is the one we're at right now. It's called Al-Hadid, or the iron. Now, the eagle-eyed among you who know something about chemistry, I'll come to that later. But remember this number, 57, Al-Hadid, iron. Now we start counting the number of ayahs until the word Hadid or iron is mentioned in this chapter, Surah Al-Hadid. Surah Al-Hadid. So let's count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 so far. No mention of Hadid. Al-Hadid. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. And this is the 26th ayah. And it mentions the word Al-Hadid. Al-Hadid, meaning the iron. Remember those two numbers, 57 and 26. And do you know what those two numbers represent? Those two numbers are the iron isotope 57. So iron has the proton number 26. We can periodic table. I'm sure you've seen periodic table before. Nothing new for you guys, I hope. So iron has a proton number of 26. Now what's the atomic number of iron. So iron occurs in 4 different isotopes, and the most sought after isotope of iron is iron 57. Iron 57 it's a stable isotope, 57. And there's a bit of chemistry to be known here in isotopes. You see how the Quran conveys this so beautifully. In isotopes, the number of the proton never changes. If the number of the protons change, then the element changes. The number of neutrons may change. And here we have it, 57, 26. Same as the Quran. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And here we have the mention of iron, al-hadid. Translated from Arabic to English, iron. Here we have, we sent down iron. Now let's just have a look at when science discovered this element. Atomic numbers theory. Let's just look at when were protons discovered. Protons discovered. Protons were first discovered in 1886. In the early 1900s, Ernst Rutherford, I'm sure you've heard of the Rutherford theory, which was not the theory that we follow today. It was the pudding theory, where he thought that the atoms were pudding. Who discovered the discovery of the proton is credited to prove that the nucleus of the hydrogen atom is present in the nuclei. 1917. Now, when was the Quran written? So the Quran was written in 632. Now, let's do a bit of math here. We have a calculator. So, (1917) minus 632. So the Quran beat Ernst Rutherford by 1,285 years. 1,285 years. Let that sink in. I'm not even done yet. So let's say that all of that was a coincidence. In the Arabic language, we have something very special. It's called Amjad numerals. So each Arabic letter has a numerical value. Arabic letter numerical. let's just go in here. And remember, I said to you that the Arabic word for iron is al ha da ya da al hadid. Now, the numeral value of this word al hadid corresponds exactly to 57. Hadid, iron, 57. Now what's even more amazing, al is the Arabic word for the. If you remove the al, hadid, that just means iron without the article the. So what does this equate to? And there you have it. MashaAllah. Unbelievable. The value 26. Search 26 images. Periodic table. 26 periodic table. Element iron. 26 element iron. I think that's all I have to say about that.